Now students, we are going to discuss about modulus functions and linear inequalities based on modulus function. So our first example, what we will do, first of all, we will try to understand what is modulus function. So mod x is equal to, mod x is actually the absolute value. So mod x is equal to either x for x greater than equal to 0, or it is minus x for x less than 0. Means कि mod of any positive number remains the same and mod value of any negative number becomes the negative of a negative number that is positive. That is why it is minus x. Now there are two results on modulus function that we'll be using in linear inequality. First result is mod x less than equal to a implies minus a less than equal to x less than equal to a, which means x belongs to the interval, closed interval minus a comma a. Now second case is if mod x is greater than equal to a. In that case, x will belong to two cases, either x is less than equal to minus a or x will be greater than equal to a. Means there are, the solution set will be two cases combined, that is x belongs to minus infinity comma minus a closed union a comma infinity closed. These are the two results that you have to keep in mind when you are doing or solving any linear inequalities problem based on modulus function. Now we will take some example. First example I have taken for less than case. Mod 3x minus 2 is less than equal to 1 by 2. X belongs to R. So what we will do as per the rule, it says minus a less than equal to x less than equal to a. So here we will write minus 1 by 2 less than equal to x. In place of x I have written the whole thing that is inside the modulus. There inside the modulus only x was written. Here inside the modulus this whole thing is written. So we will take this whole thing. So 3x minus 2 less than equal to 1 by 2. Now gradually we will try to reach x, means first of all minus 2 will be removed, adding 2 on all, we are getting, adding 2 on all, we are getting 3 by 2 less than equal to 3x less than equal to 5 by 2. Means now I got 3x. Now from 3x I have to reach x, means dividing by 3. So when you divide this by 3 you will get 1 by 2. When you divide this by 3 you will get 5 by 6. So you got x is greater than equal to 1 by 2 less than equal to 5 by 6. Means the solution set will be x belongs to 1 by 2 comma 5 by 6 closed interval. Now we will come to example 2 dealing with greater than sign. Example 2, x plus 1 in mod greater than 4 for x belonging to R implies, see, for greater than, if you remember there were two cases, less than minus a and greater than a. So here I have taken x plus 1 less than minus 4, x plus 1 greater than 4. If you remember the rule that we have discussed, the rule was if mod x is greater than equal to a, then there are two cases, x less than equal to minus a, x greater than equal to a. So here I am having greater than sign, so I will take less than minus 4 and greater than 4. I will not take equality sign. When you solve this you will get x less than minus 5. Here you will get x greater than 3. X less than minus 5 means x will belong to minus infinity comma minus 5, or x greater than 3 means x belongs to 3 comma infinity. Now we will make the solution set. So your solution set will be x belongs to minus infinity comma minus 5 union 3 comma infinity. And this is how we will solve any type of modulus function. So one thing that you have to keep in mind, that remember these two rules. First rule, mod x less than equal to a implies minus a less than equal to x less than equal to a, and second rule is mod x greater than equal to a implies x less than equal to minus a, x greater than equal to a.